Hey Web Fam, we are all packed up in the car and ready to go. We are headed to the aquarium to have some fun. The boys are in the back.
Why you always singing your words? No, that was supposed to be funny.
Hey Web Family!
What's up, y'all?
We are on our way to the aquarium. We're so excited. It's actually a nice day today, and so we are planning to have some fun, and we're taking you along with us for the ride.
And again, if y'all ain't never meet me, my name is Justin. I am 1/4 of the Mosley family. I'm the stylish one, the sexy one of the family.
Oh. Okay.
You don't agree?
No, I wasn't expecting that, but okay.
But we gonna have some fun today, y'all. Usually I'm behind the camera, but I'm in front of it today, so it's probably gonna be the best video that she posted so far.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, that's.
Listen, I was not expecting all of that. I was expecting him to be a little shy and timid, but it looks like he won't be. So today should be interesting. The boys are in the back. Say hello.
Hello.
Jamie, say
Hello.
Say hi.
Say hi, Jamie.
Hi.
Yeah, we ain't never. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Okay. So we're going to have some fun today, as we mentioned, and we're going to take you guys along with us to get to know us a little bit better. So let's go. Wedding and events and decor is what we love.
Yeah.
So I think that you should follow us.
Y'all. Follow
Cause we gon' take our time and help you learn design.
Learn design.
So ring the bell, cause we do it well. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Web by Mosley. Web by Mosley.
Subscribe.
Web by Mosley. Web by Mosley.
Yeah.
Web by Mosley.
Yeah.
We just left the aquarium. My dad's right here. We saw a lot of stuff we ate. We saw hippos, we saw sharks, stingrays, jellyfish, all this stuff. And it was a fun day today.
See you back home.
Come back home, make the thing.
All right. So we just came back from having a wonderful day at the aquarium, and I thought it would be so cool to come home and make our own little mini aquarium. So I have my helpers, Jameson and Jace, and we are going to make a little aquarium, and hopefully you guys will be able to follow along and make an aquarium for yourself. Come on, boo boo, let's go. Yep, I'm gonna give you all of the toys. Come sit right here.
Wow.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. All right. So these are the things we'll be using. The first thing we're going to add to our aquarium is some rocks.
Water rocks. Oh, I like rocks.
Some rocks. I got these from the dollar store. Each bag was $1. And so I'm going to let the boys take them. And we're just going to put them wherever we want to inside the bottom of our aquarium.
Are these actually real rocks?
These are real rocks.
Oh, that's weird. Why would you say that? Why can't I just dump it?
I didn't want to dump it because then it'll make a lot of noise, even though it's still making noise.
Dump it.
All right, so we got our rocks in here. Then we're going to add these, what are these? Pebbles?
Little pebbles.
These aqua blue pebbles, also from the dollar store. $1. All right, let me get these open. All right, so I'm gonna let Jace dump some, and then you're gonna dump some, okay? You dump some, Jace? All right, Jameson, your turn. Yep, spread them around how you want them. Your turn. Sure, got it? Whoa! Good job. Yes. Oh, no! Can't do that. All right, so we dumped our pebbles in. Good job. They'll spread all around. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we have just a little bit of greenery.
You dripped it?
I made so we can make more. I couldn't find the rest of these, but this is some little plants we had. But I thought it would be nice to add these. Come on. Just put them anywhere. Make it look real pretty. All right. So the next step we're going to do is begin to add our water. I will do this, guys, because it's a little heavy. So we have a bucket of water, and I'm going to pour that in.
Pour it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Spread it out.
Nice.
It's spread.
And then I'm going to have my assistant get us some more water. And our second
Oh, now I got
bucket of water.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
It's warm. It's not too bad. All right. I want you to add some blue. Yeah, this is blue food coloring. Let me show you that. Blue food coloring. I'm going to let Jace put some in, and then Jameson will put some in as well. Come on. Just dump it in. Oh my goodness, look how awesome.
You're so
Your turn.
cool.
All right, pour it in. Oh, wow. Put more, a little bit more.
Just get the mix.
Wait, we're not gonna mix it with our hands, because then guess what?
No.
Your hands will turn bright blue. Even though you are gonna put your hands in here eventually. But for now, let's just stir with a mixer. Look how cool that looks. Wow. Let's mix up the food coloring. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. And then last but not least, we have our, what is this, a dolphin. But while we were at the aquarium today, I got a bag of sea toys. So it has a bunch of things that we actually had a chance to see today. So we have sharks. We have, what's this called again? I can never remember the name of this.
I forgot. Wait,
Wow. A stingray.
There.
A stingray.
Okay.
A whole bunch of things. So let's add that in.
It floats. It can't float.
It can float. Some of them float and some of them go to the bottom. So let's put all of our toys
I'll put this
in.
on a rock.
We already mixed it up, Jameson. Let's add our sea toys.
The shark! No! The shark messed up. Look.
You don't want to put them in?
The shark floats. But mommy,
We'll do that after.
Mom, look,
Come on.
look, the shark. Look,
Oh, okay. Well, Mommy will do it.
Mom, look, the shark floats, but it's sideways.
That's fine.
Where's the
You
dog?
put that in? Okay. Yes. We have a octopus.
Octopus. It's your octopus. I know. I just knew that.
Oh, how about this? Put the jellyfish in.
Jellyfish.
Oh, that looks so cool. You want to put the octopus? Okay, I'll take them out and let you put them back in. Put them in. All right. So the cool thing about these last bit of things I have, these actually get bigger when you put them in water. Now I don't know how long it takes for them to get bigger, but
We
they
used to have these. I put them on.
And these I like to use also when the boys are in the tub because they get to put them in there and they get to watch how big they grow. Now I don't know, as I said, I don't know how long it takes, but while they're playing, they should get bigger. All right, so as you can see, this activity was simple. It didn't take a lot of time. Everything I got was from the dollar store except for these little figurines. We got them from the aquarium today. However, you could probably find these at the dollar store, any toy store, or on Amazon. But it was simple. So typically we'll do an activity like this, and I will go join me a cup of tea and have some mommy time. Because hey, they can make a mess. It's water, a quick and easy cleanup. I just want to thank you so much for watching our video today. If you have the opportunity to do this activity with your family, please tag me. We would love to see how it turned out. Make sure you like the video, comment, let me know what you liked about this activity, what you probably didn't like about the activity, and what other videos you would like to see from us in the future. And last but not least, make sure you do what, Jace? Subscribe and ring that bell. Turn your notifications on, that way you won't ever miss a video. Now we're about to go downstairs
And watch a movie.
watch a movie.
We might watch a movie or we might watch
One or the other. I wanted to watch a aquarium related movie, so Shark Tale, but Tom and Jerry came out today, so we'll probably watch that. But again, thank you for watching. Have a good night.